Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the ONESPAN app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. ONESPAN is a security focused app built for authentication and digital signatures, widely used by banks and enterprise. It supports two-factor authentication with one-time password, push approval and biometric, while its e-signature tools provide encrypted and compliant document signing with audit trails and template. For organizations that need enterprise-grade protection and workflow, it's a trusted solution. The downside is that it can feel like overkill for casual users, with some reporting setup headache, activation failure, or app crashes after update. Pricing for advanced features is also on the higher side, and support can also slow at times. In conclusion, ONESPAN is what you're using if you need a secure enterprise level authentication or digital signing, but not the most practical option for light or personal use. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget the notification button and subscribe for more.